speaking of executive departures, I think there was another one today at Tesla. Someone who was, like, I think pretty close to Elon, or someone who'd been there for a really long time. Do you have a
Nobody cares. Nobody cares.
Do you have a Tesla thought of the day?
Nobody cares. That's my thought. Nobody cares.
Yeah.
You could see Elon, robbing a Brinks truck with a mask on or whatever. Oh, that's Elon, I'm sure they're going to have a new business of robbing Brinks trucks, and we'll put a $1 trillion valuation on that. I've given up trying to figure out what people think about executive departures at that company. I mean, it's their car sales are plummeting, their cash flow is plummeting, all the metrics that you would look as a security analyst, but it's a unique animal where people will say, oh, well, of course, yes, but, Rosie the robot's going to serve me my breakfast, and it's going to have Tesla trademark on it, so, it's worth $1 trillion. So there's always one stock in every bull market that has that, at least that imprimatur I call it hopes and dreams. Everyone can really project their hopes and dreams onto that company and then value it any way they want. And Cisco was that company, by the way, in '99, and it's undoubtedly Tesla.
Yeah.
Because companies that are actually executing in some of these, fantastic areas of the future, like NVIDIA and others, trade at a discount to Tesla, and they're actually doing things. He's just talking about doing things, but it doesn't matter, at least not yet, to get to your timing question.